I welcome you to the first session on percentage. In this, we will take a look at how to convert a fraction or a decimal into a percentage and vice versa. If you're somebody who understands the following, what is the meaning of 20% of a number, how to calculate 20% of 50, and how do you convert numbers such as 1 by 3 or 0.456 into percentage, you don't need this session. You can just skip and go to the second session on percentage. So converting a basic percentage into a fraction. Percentage basically means per 100. For example, a number like 1% will mean 1 upon 100. 10% will mean 10 divided by 100. That is equal to 0.1. So 10%, the fraction 10 by 100 and the decimal 0.1 are one and the same thing. Similarly, 12% will mean 12 by 100, that is equal to 0.12. X% will mean x divided by 100, and B% will mean b divided by 100. So this is the first thing you ought to know about percentage, converting a percent into a fraction. So to convert a percentage into a fraction, just divide that percentage by 100. So converting a percentage into fraction implies dividing the said percentage by 100. So calculate 12% of 45. How do you calculate that? 12% can be written as 12 divided by 100 multiplied by 45, which yields 5.4. If you simplify this, it will yield 5.4. Calculate 15% of 60. So 15 by 100, 15% is written as 15 by 100 into 60, which will yield on simplification a value of 9. Now, just as we have converted percentage into a fraction, we should be able to convert a fraction into a percentage also. For instance, convert 5 by 6, that is a fraction, into a percentage. So 5 by 6, to convert a fraction into a percentage, multiply the fraction by 100. So 5 by 6 into 100 gives us 83.33%. Convert 7 by 8 into percentage. So 7 by 8 multiplied by 100 will give you 87.5%. Converting a decimal into a percentage, a fraction and decimal are equivalent. So even to convert a decimal into a percentage, we multiply that decimal by 100. Let us do that. 0.134, convert 0.134 into percentage. So 0.134 multiplied by 100 gives us 13.4%. Convert 0.1456 into percentage. So 0.1456 multiplied by 100 yields 14.56%. Now, three fundamental questions which you need to know before the end of this session. So 20% of 30, 20 is what percent of 30 and what percent of 30 is 20. So to calculate 20% of 30, you write 20% into 30 and that will yield you 6. 20 is what percent of 30? So you are required to calculate 20 as a percentage of 30. So which means you need to write down 20 by 30 as a fraction. So 20 by 30 multiplied by 100 gives you 66.66%. Again, the third question is identical to the second question. What percent of 30 is 20? So you need 20 by 30 as a fraction multiplied by 100 is equal to 66.66%. So with this, we come to an end of the first session on percentage. If you have any feedback or any query, feel free to write to us at studentservices@pfindia.com. Thank you very much.